Thank you, Mayor Brown, and I echo the comments of Keith Lund. Thank you very much for your leadership, and thanks for the opportunity to participate in today's panel discussion. As per Governor Burgum's executive order, all public school facilities are restricted and remain closed as of today. We will continue to work with the governor, with Mayor Brown, and public health with any situation that suggests schools have the ability to reopen. Our number one priority is the safety of our students and staff as we continue with distance learning. And by the way, we're just going to be concluding day number 19 today relative to distance learning. The requirements for kindergarten through grade 5 students have been relaxed as of this past Monday. I intimated that last Friday during this panel discussion. We heard from elementary teachers, principals, and parents regarding the pace and requirements expected, and we have responded to that feedback. While there won't be any new assignments given on Fridays for K through 5 students, teachers still will be readily available to work with students via Zoom if requested by students and or parents. Our high school principals and assistant superintendent of secondary education continue to work on graduation scenarios for our seniors. These scenarios will continue to be refined over the next few business days, with the communication forthcoming as early as next week. We are also in the planning stages for what technology device return will look like at the end of May when school does conclude. And just to kind of frame this, a question has been asked whether the school year will continue following the actual school calendar, and the answer is yes. Our final day will be that date listed on the school calendar in May. I believe it's May 27th or 28th. Sorry, I don't have that in front of me. I'm going off script here. Some of the planning for the technology device return will be contingent upon when we hold summer school. We are certain that summer school for high school students will be in June, likely from a distance, but we are looking at a later time for middle and elementary, most notably in August. And this Friday is National Child Nutrition Heroes Day. And if there was ever a time to recognize our Cape Crusaders, the time is now. 2,000 meals per day have been distributed through curbside pickup, with another 2,000 meals prepared for the weekend. And that's just been the norm for our child nutrition heroes. Next week, which is the week of May 4th, is Teacher Appreciation Week, and we want to acknowledge the incredible work our teachers have undertaken through distance learning. We also want to recognize our honorary teachers and our parents who have found themselves in a very new environment. My wife and myself included, even though we're educators, we have our third grader at home, which has created a different environment for us. It's one thing for us to say that we've done this and we've accomplished that as educators, but our parents are the people who have ensured learning success in the home.